The next way of using the background removal in Adobe Express is adding a black and white background with people in color, or the opposite. Start by adding a video clip with a person to the scene. Then, click the background removal tool on the left panel and give it time to separate the background. After a while, only the person is left, but because of the fast movement in the clip, you might notice they sometimes disappear or look a bit blurry. If you want sharp and consistent movement, it's better to use a clip with slower motion. Now add the same clip again, but this time you're not going to remove the background. This is why it's important to make sure both layers match perfectly. Use the Layers panel on the right to move the background layer under the person. Adjust the size so they line up. You'll see pink lines appear when they match. To make the background black and white, click on the full background video layer on the right, then go to the Effects tab on the left panel. Click Black and White. There are more editing options there that you can experiment with if you want. Now your video will show the people in color and the background in black and white. Since part of the person may have been removed with the background, you might see parts of them still showing in black and white underneath. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.